Is that chocolate?
Are we supposed to eat it?
I think you can eat it.
Okay.
Oh no, wait. I don't think you can.
No, you can't.
Paper.
So today is the second morning that we have in Osaka. So we're leaving our hotel My Stays. Pretty decent actual hotel, but yeah, it's pretty good. Small, it's bigger than what we normally get. Usually the hotels that we get here in Japan are super small. And so today we're heading back to the city, CBD area, if you may. And we're gonna be just going around there again because we feel like we didn't get to visit everything that we wanted to visit. And so we're gonna go visit again. We're actually gonna leave our stuff at the, like they have lockers there they could put your stuff in. Yeah, we're just gonna be leaving it there. Like we have so much stuff, seriously, it's like so heavy. Like we were like sweating inside our hotel room trying to pack everything. But it's actually really nice outside, it's really cold. What do you reckon about the weather, guys?
It's like Melbourne.
Cold. Nice and cold.
Yeah. It's like nice and chilly compared to what it was inside the hotel. Anyway, let's get going, let's start the day. Yo, what's up? So we are currently in the coin laundry area. I mean coin laundry, the coin locker thing to lock up your luggage and stuff, because right now, yeah, we're not gonna lug all these like around with us. So just information for you guys, if ever you wanna leave your luggage inside Osaka or any major city, make sure that you get there in early because everyone wants to use it, literally. So we're struggling to find it, so we have to actually look for a luggage service. So this is us in the actual luggage.
This is sketches.
There's certain times that you have to pick it up, so it's pretty useful. You don't get like the luxury of having your own locker. It's like you have to put it amongst these ones. It's alright. So there's a 500 yen and a 700 version. So the 700 one, what time does that close? 6 p.m. Just up to you guys. Just a little bit of advice, but if you can, maybe it's probably a better idea to actually just pack really light. You don't have to be lugging all this stuff around. It's actually quite a hassle every time you're going around, so it's up to you. There's one really good place in Namba City. You just have to keep looking around. There's actually luggage services there. Just ask the people and then hopefully you can find it. There's actually two here. Yeah, so one finishes at 6, the other one closes at 8. So we're actually getting on our way now to actually do stuff now. So it took us like an hour and a half to actually get our luggage all looked after and stuff. But yeah, Osaka, it's Osaka time now. Let's go. And one thing that we notice about Osaka in Japan is that there are a lot of people that ride their bikes, but when they ride their bikes, they have bells. So they can.
They do have bells.
Oh, do they do?
They just, yeah.
Oh yeah, they do, but they don't use it. So they come sneakily behind you, and kind of, it's really scary because they go past you really quickly because you can't see them. They don't inform you. They don't warn you that you're coming. But they're pretty good drivers anyway with the bike, so I guess it doesn't matter.
I almost got run over like 5.
But you're at such a big target though. It's hard to get around you, AJ. Aito Station. We're at Dogu Yasuji. It's like a little main street that you can walk past. We're going to the Koromon fish market, and we're gonna have some nice fish, I guess.
You don't eat fish.
You do eat fish. Just didn't like the one that Raquel had. Anyway, okay. Oh, sorry. The city streets are really like close. Yeah, it's really narrow. Oh my god, what's this? What is that? Oh, it's one of those naughty places. Okay, anyway.
What's the difference between toilets and lavatories?
So currently we're going to try the Kobe beef.
No, the
Oh, sorry, we're not going to try the Kobe beef. It's too expensive.
normal.
We're going to try the normal beef because that's the only thing we think we can afford right now. So it's like the Kobe beef's like 2,500 yen and the other set is like 400.
2.5 for Kobe beef.
Can I please get one more set?
So what's up guys, we're about to try, what is this called? We don't even know what it is. We're just trying beef. It's not the Kobe beef, but it's like drenched in barbecue sauce.
It's drenched in expensiveness.
Oh, wow. Texture of the meat's really nice. They actually have a lot of barbecue sauce on it. The barbecue sauce actually complements the actual meat. How much was this one?
500 yen.
Anyway, let's try. What's this, Raquel? We don't know what we're eating. We're just trying whatever we get.
Scallop.
Okay. Try the scallop. Okay, it comes with like sauce and stuff in it, or the soup, so it's pretty nice. Oh yeah. You can actually taste the rich flavor from it as well. Not very salty, and it's quite unique. I don't know what else to say. I'm not a very good food blogger, guys, but it's really delicious. You guys have to try it. Hey, cool. Thank you. What's up, guys? So this is the dango dumpling. There's actually two flavors. There's a green one, white one. We forgot what the actual flavors were, so this one's just the plain one. So they put this special paste around it to make it add more flavor, I guess. It's sort of like a very mild barbecue sauce. I'm not really sure. It just tastes really nice. What is it? What's a dango? It's like a dumpling. And it's got... I think
Is it savory or sweet?
I think it's more savory. Yeah, you try it.
Savory. I don't even know. It's like sticky rice, huh?
Yeah, that's a good. I don't even know what to say. It's like the koto. Yeah, actually the sauce kind of makes up for everything. So we are at this current place where I don't know what it's called, but we're at a place where they actually fry seafood. So that's the place we're at. I don't know what it says. Look at this now. Super crunchy. Bread is pretty nice, thick. I think it needs a little bit of salt and pepper. It's my throat. Better. What do you think about it, AJ?
Calamari? I'm sure it's calamari. Or octopus. Tastes pretty good. It's only sorry, 120 yen, which is $2 something? Yeah.
I like that. It's really chewy. What are you eating?
Sashimi?
Okay. That goodness, that freshness, she's gonna eat it right now. Raquel was like really hanging for it, so... do you guys like wasabi? I don't really like wasabi. I think it adds to the thing.
I actually don't mind it.
I like eating it without it, because I think it just kind of... It takes it away from the flavor. Raquel likes it really like salty, with the soy sauce. What was your favorite thing to eat?
The chicken and rice from Seven.
What?
From 7-Eleven.
No, here in Komoron. What's your favorite?
Oh, I like the beef that we had.
Yeah.
The skewer.
We don't even know what beef that was.
I think it's just normal beef.
What do you reckon?
Pretty fresh.
Okay, Raquel's turn. It's the French chimney cleaner. So see that crab thing there? That's a really popular place here. Apparently they have some of the best crab and it's like really expensive, so we're not going. So I'm currently in line for this, it's like a cheese dog thing. There's 3 different types, like Corella dog, mozzarella dog, and this other dog, whatever, I don't know what it is, but I'll show you guys later. But I have to actually wait 20 minutes in line to actually get it. So here's the line there. Yeah, it's just 20 minutes. Better be good, man. Better be good, y'all. So the actual place that we're waiting for is called Chugje hot dogs, and you can get a mozzarella dog, what is it? Cheddarella dog? I don't know what that is. You can also get a potterella dog. We just got one of each and we're going to try it on, and they look actually quite, yeah, they look delicious. It looks really nice, but when you actually see it, so when you actually see, can't wait, can't wait. So Raquel actually discovered that the mozzarella is for mozzarella cheese, the cheddarella is for the cheddar cheese, and the potterella is actually for potato. Let's get it. So it's cool, you can actually add whatever sauce you want on it.
Where's the cheese?
This is the cheese. Aurora sauce? Huh? Mustard?
Everything.
My teeth are still there. Okay. Oh, yum. I think I got the mozzarella. Oh yeah. That's freaking delicious, man. You can see the cheese inside. It's melted. It's got a really crusty outer layering. We actually just added whatever we wanted, like the sauces that you could put. We put cheese sauce, sweet chili, tomato, and cheddar cheese, and also honey sauce, and it's pretty delicious. So when in Japan, apparently this guy here, that guy there, right there, is really popular. Like everyone likes to take photos with him. He's a popular dude, Mr. What's his name? Glyco. What is he? What does he do?
I don't know.
That dude, very popular.
Alright, okay, go.
Is that yes?
Yeah.
So here we go again into the sea of people in Shinsai Basu Suju. So let's go. So now we're currently waiting in line for, we don't even know what it is. Okay, there's just a long line there, so we're just like, let's just go wait. We're in for a surprise for this strawberry mania thing. It actually looks really delicious. It's like, I think, is it croissants, Raquel? No.
Croissants.
I think it's croissants, so that's going to be actually delicious. I think I've seen it somewhere before, and I think it actually looks really scrumptious. So I can't wait. Can't wait to show you guys. There's AJ, just standing there. So this is what we're lining up for, strawberry soft ice cream. It's 50 yen. I'll actually get that too. So I get it now. It's called Strawberry Mania because everything basically is strawberry inside the actual store. And oh, we're gonna get run over. Make it smooth, yeah. Thank you. Good. So here comes the first taste of this. We waited how long? Like 15 to 20 minutes for this. So wow, it's actually really fluffy.
So good.
Sick. It actually is really good. It's really fluffy. It looks like they have actually used natural ingredients. And yeah, let's get into the other stuff. Oh damn! Look at that. Can you see that? Strawberry Mania.
Is that chocolate?
Are we supposed to eat it?
I think you can eat it.
Okay.
Oh no, wait. I don't think you can.
No, you can't. It looks like it's what kind of a bun is that? It's like a really crusty bread.
Like a meringue?
Maybe. It's got chocolate and strawberry inside. It's also got like this other different kind of cream, like a yellow.
Custard?
Maybe. It's really, it's not that sweet, which is what is really good about it. Definitely, like the cream is a really strong aspect of the taste. Oh wow, this is sweet. This is a really sweet. It tastes like ice cream sorbet with Macca's like strawberry that syrup that they put on. It's like a jam version of that. Oh yeah, taste the sugar. It's fantastic though. I really like this. Strawberry Mania. Do I reckon if it's worth the actual wait? Yeah, it is. For 15 to 20 minutes, I would have waited an hour for it. So it's up to you guys. I think there are better stores you can actually go to, but this one's actually pretty good. Yeah.
Yo, so we are finished with Shin Chai Basu Suju. And now we're at Denden. Jay from TKS told us to come here. So there's like lots of toys and cool stuff here, so we're gonna go check it out. What? Yo, what's up guys? So we are in Denden town now. We're just looking for, I heard there's like really cool toys here and everything that we could check out. We're gonna go look for it now. It's actually really weird. They have a couple of signs here that's really like quite provocative. So I'll show you guys. It's these signs here. See, they have like stuff like that. Like really? Like across the whole street. I mean, come on, man. Really? Really? Anyway, so I think Denden's really made for like electronics and games and all this kind of stuff. So far we've only seen games. You definitely do need one of these automatic ones. You need the ones that have music. Yeah, oh, it has music, yeah. So you can have music. It even has like extra flush noise, even though you're not flush. Well, I don't think we have any space in our life. So I actually found a place where they have actual all the toys and stuff. So stuff like this. Denden town has really got heaps of. I actually want to get some. Just like seriously, if you guys collect anything, like in terms of animes, toys, this is probably the place to go. These kind of toys, if you're into that kind of stuff. They got little keychain stuff. Yeah, that's cool. They have Naruto characters and figurines. So yeah, so we actually started just discovering all these other stuff now. It's like not on the main street, or we were on the wrong main street. And now we could actually see all these kind of like toys, yeah, figurines and stuff. We're at Shin Osaka station right now, so we're trying to get ourselves to Tokyo. Another train station, my arms are busted. So after 8 minutes of freaking dragging these around, we finally reached our destination. It's all really traditional houses around here. It's really quiet, everything's really dark. But I'm pretty sure I lost 2 kilos just walking here. Oh, my asthma's coming back. Oh, is it focusing? Oh my gosh, I'm so wrecked. Oh, so heavy. Anyway, we're in Kyoto. I think I'll probably end the vlog here. Thanks once again for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.